Yo, yo, yo. Is anyone in here yet? What up, Nasty? What up, Danny? So perfectly planned out so far. What I'm wanting to see here today. But so this 4-hour candle did just pull back, make its bottom wick. We're gonna create a support here on the 30-minute time frame, and then the next candle we're gonna take the buys up, and we're gonna make good money today, boys. I have some words I want to say, but I want to wait till a couple more people get in here first. Let me get this sad ass song off.
Whack unlyrical lyrics, Andre.
This is me coming to save the game today to this song.
Let's go.
Coleman! Coleman! Introducing.
It's showtime. Hurry, hurry, step right up. Introducing the star of our show. His name is You wouldn't want to be anywhere else in the world right now.
So without further ado, I bring you Coleman! About to witness trading in its
most purest,
most rawest form.
almost flawless.
Your speaker's on and your window open. You about to witness Coleman! I am gonna put that song on though when I say what I want to say today, boys. High risk buys are now here if you want them, but I'm gonna wait. Just cause we might see a pullback for the open of New York. And this is a fucking huge stop, actually, bro. There's a 70 pip stop, boys, on this 15. Maybe we do want to get him this now. Nah, I'll wait. I'll wait for the NY open as always, bro. We're not gonna do anything different today. We're gonna wait for the NY open and take it with the volume with that. So that way we don't have to worry about a pullback and we don't have to sit in no fucking drawdown because these candles are fucking huge, boys. Alright, so let's look at these candles how we were looking at them yesterday, okay? So this is about the scale which we were looking at these candles. These are the candles we're trading on currently. But I want a 1 hour support anyways. I'm gonna try and pass these challenges for these people today off of this trade as well. So I want to play it safe and I want to catch the nice move. But we could easily get 100 pips today. From here to here is 90, and we're gonna continue. Okay. I believe we're gonna see 2,000 today on gold. Because we're way past all this area, right? We've already broken up and came past this area here. This would be our last technically resistance on the daily. Our next area is 2,000. Okay. Pass your phase 1 today? Definitely possible. I might. That's what I'm looking to do on hold on a second. Let me look and see where our high was today. So we definitely could look to move up towards at least 89. But I don't know. I feel like we have even more to move. Because this is only just going to keep continuing from here, right? With what's going on in the world. It's like, we're not going to get a correction. We're not going to get a pullback. Because it's not like they can just send all the missiles and everything back. Stuff is wild. World 3 about to go down. I know, bro. Agreed. So let me just kind of get into what I wanted to say, bro. Let me go ahead and pop that song back on just to make it a little bit more dramatic. I wrote it down too, so that way, I can't have it too loud. I won't be able to think. Alright, so I just had a few words that I wanted to say before we get into anything today, but it is truly a sad day in history and marks the beginning of something that we may have never seen before, and possibly a full-scale war throughout Europe and even the globe. What makes me upset about this the most is knowing that there are going to be lots of people who profit off of this, even people like myself and everyone here, but mostly the elites and the super wealthy. What we are seeing today is truly a demonstration of how mankind will always choose profits and power over people. And to think that myself will be participating in this really makes me sick to my stomach. But as professional traders today, we must remain emotionless, unbiased, think logically with what is going on in the market, and all in all, we are only doing our jobs as traders and reacting to the market and economic events that are happening across the globe. And I digress. But anyways, guys, let's just step away from this sad little message I have. I just wanted everyone to recognize the reality of things we are facing in current times, because sometimes it's hard to see what's going on in the world outside of our phones. But let's have a fire trading day today as always. We haven't had a single loss in 2 weeks, and let's make today another great day like the rest. That's all. And let the beat ride. Nah, but for real, I feel like I definitely had to say something. You know, because memes and everything aside, I think the memes are funny. Don't get me wrong, but this is real life. At the end of the day. And I'm not against the memes or anything, 100%. Definitely not against the memes or anything at all. But I just feel like it's important to recognize really what's going on in the world sometimes. So as long as this 30-minute candle closes above here, we're good to move up. We'll have created a 1-hour support. And yeah, I mean, bro, our first target will be easily 100 pips. Still just gonna wait for the NY Open. I don't really care how much it moves up. We should get a beautiful move here today. Dude, my nose has been extremely stuffy too, and all I can taste is the shit that they shot me with in the dentist yesterday, bro. It's foul. What up, Sid? You just missed my beautiful message, bro. What up, Sid? About what? You can rewind it if you want. You won't miss anything. I'm not doing anything until this 30-minute closes. Just kind of talking about everything that's going on today, and I guess the market and that. Yo, what up, Henry? You missed my message too, bro. Yeah, you're good at. I mean, you know, I just felt like I should say something. You know what I mean? Just to remember, kind of like what we're seeing here today. I don't give a shit about the news at 8:30. Breathe in, breathe in. This is really going down, I know. I'm not crying either, by the way. If you hear me sniffling, bro, I'm not crying or nothing. I don't know why. I'm just hella stuffy. I like blow my nose or something real quick. But notice how this happened last night. So obviously at 10:30 we had seen this is when the invasion had started. We ran up for a total of 350 pips, just about. Oh man, crying now. But then we ranged in here, okay? And then at 4:30 a.m., a second wave of missiles hit. And we ran up for another 300 pips. I am gonna blow my nose real quick, bro. I'm wondering if we definitely will move up today, but it'll be interesting to see how this candle will close. Yo, what up, Mr. Grimm? How am I doing? I'm doing alright, bro. How are you doing, bro? Waiting for the third one so we can buy. Wait, third what? Oh, the third missile strike. You're funny, buddy. Too bad we don't know when that like that's gonna happen. That's funny. I was like, the third what? Third candle? That's what I was thinking at first. I was like, what do you mean? This is... Today gold skyrocketed? Yeah. Do you know why, Mr. Grimm? If you don't, no problem. I'll explain it to you. I'm just not sure how familiar you are with the markets, bro. Mother Russia, yes, sir. Yeah, keep it short and simple. Mother Russia. What a circus by Western media. Ukraine was having 8 years to implement the Minsk agreement, and what they do, bombing Donbass. I don't understand this comment. Western media. What does Western media have to do with... Western media did not bomb Donbass. It's fucking retards. If you guys ever read it, and do not take any of this shit these fucking clowns ever say. I honestly read this shit for entertainment. Do you have any buy stops? Not yet. My buy stop will be above this candle though. It'll be above this 1 hour candle's wick once we close, if we close bullish. Hey man, you're up 4% on your 20K challenge. You have 20 days left. How? Go. I would say. So I'm gonna risk probably like 1%, just because. So let's say we do get into this trade here, okay, and we break this 1 hour high. My stop loss will definitely probably be somewhere below here. Hopefully we don't pull back that heavily after we break this high here. Okay. Let's look at this real quick though. You could maybe even take it on this 30-minute high. I feel like that's actually probably better. But I need this 1 hour to close bullish. But like, this is way too fat of a stop loss, bro. For this is a 93 pip stop, which is because of how big these candles are. So I'm gonna try and cut it down to like what we usually run, which would be like a 35, 36. It's almost like we're moving up today. You know what I mean? Think of it this way. A lot of these people in the New York session on this side of the world are just waking up to this news. This stuff didn't happen until 10:30 last night, so you know a lot of people were going to be sleeping, and a lot of these markets and banks, they're not even open at that time. So they're waking up to this news, and they're going to say, okay, we need to put buy orders in, and so they need to price it in, and so yeah, we should move up today. But just remember, our first target is going to be here for if you take it to break this high, this is exactly 100 pips. So you could even run a little bit less of a risk if you're looking to target that much. The only reason I would say use a less of a lower risk today is because if we do pull back, it might put you in a little bit of drawdown, right? And I don't want you to be uncomfortable. It's all up to you at the end of the day, but you gotta know yourself, right? Yo, good morning, Amon. We're not in this yet, but I'm gonna put this in here so we can see. My buy stop's probably just gonna be like 1964. With my stop loss. Hold on, I'm just gonna look. Ugh, it's gonna be like a 50 pip stop, boys. So calculate that. Whatever 1% would be for you. But I also want to see this 1 hour print bullish, right? It'd be nice if it could print with like a body. Like this. If you could see like that. Like if the body could be like this big, perfect. Yeah, like that, like that. Perfect, perfect. Stay there. Perfect. But I'm gonna put it below like this 5-minute structure. And I'm not gonna put it in until like this candle is about to close too, just in case this does pop up real quick and make another higher, push the wick up a little. You said it. Oh wait, I already read that. All right, so I'm gonna put them both in right now, or my buy stops are in. Close your eyes if you're not ready for this, in case it does go up first and break the high first. Whoa, why the fuck did this start turning up? I tried to turn the volume up on my phone. I need to plug my phone in though. Waiting for the bottom wick. Yeah, that's what I want to see as well. Alright, mine are in though. Alright, beautiful. We're already up like 15. Hopefully this continues at this point. Alright, we're up about 20. Missed it, waiting for the bottom wick, yeah. See, that's why I would just like, I was like, close your eyes if you're not ready for the drawdown in case it does pull back. But I wasn't too sure if we were going to see one. break even already? It's about to get hit, fam. How GJ looking? GJ Mountain? You're willing to take an L? The risk's too good to miss? Exactly. We learn to let him hang. If I take a loss today, bro, it'll be the first loss I've taken in over 2 weeks. Just close your eyes, boys, if you're not comfortable. Just close your eyes. See? Or just look at another pair or something. I don't know what to tell you if you're not comfortable. Looking beautiful, TBH? Yeah, it is. Exactly, bro. It's looking beautiful. We let the balls hang far down. Yeah. Now, if it like starts breaking like some sort of structure or something, then I mean, like I would understand. But I mean, we're not really doing nothing. Pull back and then flip on the 5 minute. Yeah. Henry learning quick, true. Dude, Henry picking it up quick, bro. Ideally, I do wish it that like we had a bigger bottom wick on this candle, boys, but I don't know. The fundamentals are there to support this. We go to war, literally. Yeah, we'll still play it at the end. Now, if you did want to manage your risk, if this 15 did flip and close bearish, then I would say sure. But I don't see any reason why yet. You close at 21 pips? Nice, bro. Beautiful. I'm personally not satisfied yet. Yes, sir. Congratulations on your 21 pip win. Hey, good luck to you, homie. Or, thank you. Dude, I would personally be comfortable with letting this 30-minute, honestly, pull back, make a bottom wick, and then start juicing back up, bro. Think of it this way too. Maybe we are just sitting here for a little bit to for them to collect lots of orders for us to move up. Hey, no problem, bro. Good seeing you here, bro. What is today? Thursday? Oh, I was gonna say enjoy the rest of your week. I mean, yeah, enjoy the rest of your week, definitely. Has GJ flipped yet or started breaking this yet? As long as the 30-minute doesn't pull back to 58, we're good. Yeah, that's pretty much my stop loss. I personally don't like sitting here looking at the 1-minute candles, but like sometimes they just give you more data, more information. So like that's why you see me pull it up. Maybe it'll just be like yesterday. First 15 kind of dicks around. Next one, absolute rocket. Been loving the 5-minute on gold lately. Yeah, me too. The 5 minutes pretty accurate on gold. I won't lie. Give me that thicker bottom wick, bro. I think if GJ can come and close below here on the 4-hour, we should keep mounting today, but we'll have to wait and see. Go ahead, tap in here if you want. Now, if you guys wanted, since this 15 is gonna close bearish with a pretty nice top wick, if it does close bearish, I was gonna say you can go ahead and close half or close whatever you're not comfortable with losing at this point, right? Because this is a pretty fast stop. I might take some off the table myself, but we'll have to wait and see, honestly. Alright, now if we come back and start breaking this 15-minute candles low, we can, I'm gonna probably look to just play it safer and close like half. Just go up, gold, go up. $30 still looks solid, yeah, exactly. I haven't done anything yet. I haven't cut half, I haven't done anything. Not has a good bottom wick, yeah, I agree. It'd be beautiful if this 5-minute could close with some nice bullishness. But like, say this 5-minute candle does come down and flip and start breaking this low, then I will want to look to close half. But I haven't done anything. Looks like we're stuck between these two price point levels as well, like 64 and 61. Go ahead and just give us a nice juicer gold. Let it play out. Let it play out, boys. Just let it play out. News after the 30-minute? Yeah, I know. I'm just gonna ignore it. Hopefully, it's nothing crazy. Yo, what up, Tinola? So, go ahead, gold. Nice, beautiful. Back at 10 pips. Nice strong bullish candle on the 5-minute. Looking at the gold 30-minute as well. Yes, sir. Not much of a bottom wick, so didn't enter. See, fundamentally, we should move up. You're feeling a juicer incoming? I know, bro. Me too. I just told everyone, I was like, hey, it might go up in NRS but if it starts pulling back into the drawdown, hey, just close your eyes, boys. But it did run up for like 30 pips initially. But yeah. Yes, sir. Exactly what Nasty said. We did end up going up like 30 pips. So like if that's all you wanted, I know someone did take 22 pips off of this already. My trade is not your trade. Like I'm here calling the setups. But my opinion, we have a good bit of ways to move still. So go ahead, Gold. Do it for the fam. Don't let no one hold you. We're up about 20 again, so in case you are looking to take this, if you're in this still, remember we do have news coming. You're in? Nice, bro. When did you get in at? $19.64. Nice, you're in right with us. Perfect, bro. I just hope that with whatever the hell this news comes out to be today, that it doesn't do some fucking crazy shit, bro. And then like fucking fly down, hit our stop. I'm gonna just stay on the 30-minute, boys. Dude just called me Con. The whole chat's probably like, who the fuck are you talking to, bro? Yo, what are we listening to, fam? Skip. Brr. No, you're good, bro. You can call me whenever you want. Everyone knows me as Sam, though. Because Sam is my real name, bro. Con is my nickname. We're up like 20. Just juice gold, please, bro. It's definitely waiting for this news. Ecto Gang King Snake. You risk free yet? Hell no, bro. I could be. I would be if this is a normal trade, but like it's not. Like you have to understand, bro. You have to understand who I am. I'm young Midas, bro. Like we know the setups. We know how gold moves. You could ask Nasty, bro. He's watched me sit in some fat drawdown before, just so like when I caught that what was it, 300 pips? I sat through I think like 50 pip drawdown at one point. Granted, I would never have take a trade on a stream where we would be sitting in 50 pip drawdown. That's why it happened after the stream that the trade was taken. But or I believe the trade was taken on the stream, but I never ended up closing it out because the way it played out was it was like we had like a 1 minute candle come up to the resistance, like to here. The next 1 minute candle hit it, and as soon as it hit it, it wicked down and it shot down like insanely. And I was like, well, we still have room to move up. I'll find it for you. Where is it? I forget where. Alright, here's the news. Come on! Nothing. So there's no change at all. This should be 6.9 as well. Holy shit, bro. Hello, bro? What is it? They don't know what the fuck this is? Okay, so it's up some. Okay, so this is up. Change in price of all goods and services. So the change in price of goods and services is up, so that would be a bullish factor for gold. Alright, so once we go up and break this high, we should be good to keep moving up, boys. Shit was taking fucking forever, bro. What the hell? Travel through space time. So far, kind of ugly New York session, bro. Um, yeah, I do like this song. Let's go, yeah. LC. We looking like on a 5 minute, bro. Kind of just ranging, bro. Like what? So I'm probably gonna move my stop to right here. Just because I might give it a little bit of room to breathe, but if this does start breaking this low though, then we are breaking. Okay. Well. What did I put in that? 1961.5. Bro, let me modify this son of a bitch. My position's still in somehow. I don't know how. Modify. Okay, what? They just got stopped out. Tough. We took a loss today, bro. First loss in 2 weeks. But look at this shit. So I don't want to be in this anymore, boys. Tough. We had a 24 pip loss. But overall, we had a 45 pip or 40 pip win yesterday. We'll see. Maybe this is what we needed to hit to move up, but I ain't gonna play with it, boys. You know, I can't sit there and let it hang any further. You know, with the price action, we're breaking. Maybe I'll give another chance if we come up and start breaking this high again, but other than that, this is what I wanted to see. Maybe I should have kept it a little bit lower than here. But let's see. Like this 30 minutes still does have 20 minutes, but you know, we went up first. Started breaking the previous 30-minute candles low. We'll have to wait and see. You waiting for the hourly to close bullish? Yeah. I had a lot of confidence we were going to move up today. Everything made sense to move up today, but you know, I can't trade what I think. I have to trade what I see. And so far, this is not what I like to see. But I can't even be mad. Like this loss we took today, it wasn't even close to yesterday's win. Like so yesterday we had me personally, I had a $960 win, and then today I had a $530 loss. So I'm still up $400 just from yesterday to today. My loss was like basically half. Yesterday I traded a 2.5 lot. Today I cut it down just a little to a 2 lot. Let's just see what happens though. I'll stay around. I'll hang around, see if we can maybe give this a second chance, because so far it's ugly as shit. But I need strong confirmation. Same here. Your win yesterday was 42 pip win on a five lot. Nice, bro. Holy shit. And then to the 20 pip loss on a 2.5. So we so good. Exactly, bro. Risk management. Just unfortunate, honestly. Really, all this was is, I mean, this 30-minute candle was the deciding factor. If we wanted to keep moving up, then we would have needed to just pull back and move up. But it'll be interesting to see how this does play out, though, bro. So let's go back and look. Looking left, this 4 hour is right at this resistance right now. And it looked like we wanted to stay and hold above. But we might melt. We might start breaking down. And we might start filling this 1 hour wick. But I'm not gonna try and trade that. Could it be worth it? Maybe. It's a 100 pip wick. Maybe I don't know. I don't like to trade it against the trend on gold, bro. I do think though we might see a nice move down here though. Like this 15 is about to close below. We might start looking to fill this wick here. Nah, I mean. You're kind of salty. You missed the gold buys after London Open. Then you get an entry. This movement doesn't care about technicals. Yeah, that's kind of like why I was holding in onto that gold buy for a little while, you know. But once it gets to a point where like you can kind of see like the volume and the craziness start to die down, that's when you gotta just start like trading what you see and not what you think. But overall, we managed the risk. Let's go ahead and get rid of all this. Let's see if we do a 100 pip wick fill. Might be kind of psycho. We were seeing hella buyer exhaustion at this point. But about to enjoy my candy I bought. Money, you know that's a hideaway. You guys ever eat these, bro? It's just like straight sugar. They're sweet tart ropes. Did you hear Gunna? He just said the touches the Midas. Not today though, I guess. So far, mountain, bro. This 4 hour about to flip too. Sheesh. Let's see what happens though. How is Dirty 30 looking? So right here is where this 4 hour will flip. Let's see if this flips in the next couple minutes. But it was a good thing we managed our risk though today, boys, right? We would have gotten a fat ass 50 pip loss. Alright, boys. I am gonna hop off here. Maybe watch for these sells if we start breaking below this 4-hour on this next candle. Wait for the top wick, or if you wanted to, you could anticipate it by waiting for the pullback on this 1 hour before we start going down and breaking the high or the low. But I'm out of here. You know, we had our 1 low loss today for 25 pips. So I'm gonna put that up on the screen. But trade's taken. Yeah, this was not last week. Yeah, look at all that shit, bro. Look at all them damn wins. Beautiful. Alright, I want to say today. Minus, what was it, like 25 pips loss. Gold bars. There she is right there. Alright, boys. That's it for me today. First loss in something like two fucking weeks. But I'm definitely out of here for today. And you know, you already know what time it is. You already know what time it is, bro. Let's pause the juice. And you already know. For the war you won!